again, everyone. Well, I love gardening, so anything that involves gardening, I love them. Birds, butterflies, animals, for as long as they're not killing my plants. But anyway, it's time to clean. I'm in zone 5B again. I keep saying that, so you know exactly where I am. And it's your basis if you're going to follow my advice or my experience, because every zone, every zone different treatment. So it's time to clean up those birds houses. This one was um blue jay. I don't know, I think it's blue. I forgot the birds, it's color blue. I don't know, because it was the first time last year that I've seen them, and then they were in one of my birds houses. Well, time to clean them up because it's getting warm. Yesterday, March 1st, was the first time I saw Robin was back. So, well, looking forward for gardening. We're still going to have winter storm, but I can feel that spring is just around the corner. Bye, everyone.